there, all you awesome pet parents! Are you ready to spoil your furry, feathery, or scaly friends without breaking the bank? Well, you're in luck because today I'm spilling the beans on how to snag some amazing discounts at 1800PetMeds. Trust me, your pets will thank you. First things first, click the link in the description below to grab your special offer. Seriously, do it now. Your pets are probably already giving you those puppy eyes. Okay, let's get into it. 1800PetMeds is like the Amazon for pet meds. They have everything from flea and tick prevention to prescription medications and even yummy treats. But here's the best part. You don't have to pay full price. Who does that anymore, right? Did you know that 1800PetMeds regularly offers promo codes and discounts? Yep, it's true. By using the coupon code 1800PetMeds, you can save a bunch of money on your next purchase. Imagine all the extra squeaky toys you can get with those savings. Now let's talk about how to use that sweet, sweet discount. Head over to 1800petmeds.com and start adding all your pet's favorite goodies to your cart. Once you're ready to check out, enter the promo code 1800PetMeds in the discount box. Voila! Instant savings. It's like magic, but better, because your pets get all the benefits. But wait, there's more. If you sign up for their email newsletter, you'll be the first to know about exclusive discounts and special offers. Plus, you'll get helpful pet care tips and product updates straight to your inbox. It's a win-win. And don't forget about their auto ship program. You can set up automatic deliveries of your pet's medications and supplies and save even more. No more last-minute trips to the store, just happy pets and happy wallets. So what are you waiting for? Click the link in the description below to get your 1800PetMeds discount now. Your pets deserve the best, and your wallet deserves a break. Go on, treat your pets to something special today. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more awesome pet tips and tricks. Until next time, keep those tails wagging and those purrs roaring. Catch you later.